First thing you need to do is check out your fuel. So important. So it doesn't smell too bad, but then you've got to consider about 3 months is getting too old for your fuel. So the best thing you can do is kick off with fresh fuel and make sure it's 95 octane. It has to be. Don't use anything less. The next thing to check is your air filter. Obviously very, very important. And this guy has not been looked at for quite some time. So obviously, when you compare against a new air filter, you can kind of see that the air just ain't going to be getting through there, and this poor little engine ain't going to be too happy. Okay guys, next thing is your spark plug. Now, some people have trouble finding them. Basically, if you look for that big black rubber lead, and there's going to be some sort of a big rubbery cap, pop him off. There we go. Get him out of the way. Your plug spanner, and get that one undone. Now, as you can see, that's not the best looking plug in the world when you compare that to a new one. So obviously that one's had its day. So we'll just pop him in, line the hole up, and be very gentle not to cross thread that, because it's very, very important. It's there. Now nip him up. Now just nip it, and that's it. All you need to do, make sure you get that cap back on just nicely, and you should just feel it pop on, just like that. Happy days.
Hopefully this provides a solution and your lawnmower starts. If not, it might be worth taking it down to your local lawnmower shop for a more thorough inspection. Subscribe to the Lawn Solutions Australia YouTube channel for more helpful lawn care tips and advice.